Hello! Today we're going to open the Control Grip by Breville and do a little open box video and show you this new remarkable item that's Breville's put out. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. So let's see what we have in the box. We got an owner's manual. We have the lid. We have a protection cover for the blade. That's where the motor goes. Packed very well. I mean, everything's wrapped. Things have bubble wrap that are fragile, so they don't break. Impressed with how well this is packed. This product definitely will get to you without any damage. It is packed very well. Everything's individually wrapped. And we have one last, the motor we have to get out. We're going to take this out here. The motor's a piece of cardboard around it. It's also wrapped. Put that right there for right now so it doesn't fall over. One last piece, the whisk. It's individually wrapped as well to protect it. I like to keep the boxes, so we're going to nest this right back inside the box. Oh wow. So there we go. That's the control grip. We're going to get everything cleaned up so we can give it a try here in a little while. But look how nice it is. By Breville. If you notice, little white detents right here, those will lock the attachments into place. And you just push this button here on both sides, comes apart. The whisk just pops in. It just goes right in, pops in, and it fits onto that attachment that fits onto the motor. And it's ready to go, and you can whisk whatever you need to do. Very, very nice. Here's another attachment, the chopper. And I guess you put your different things, different pieces of vegetables. There's a little piece of plastic in here that I want to get out before. Look at that, it's all wrapped to protect you so you don't cut yourself on the blade. Comes right off. It slides right in there on the little shaft. So this fits right in the top. So that should slide right on. Boom. Let's see if it locks. It doesn't lock. There is a note on the side right here. On the other side it's Spanish. It says, caution, do not open until blade stops. This part is not dishwasher safe. It's good to know. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Control Grip by Breville. So now we're gonna mix our eggs up. We've got 6 eggs in our Breville little Immersion Blender. We're gonna set it to 4. So we'll set it to 4. It's very quiet. There we go. Doesn't take long. That's on setting number 4 out of 15 speeds. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Control Grip by Breville.